Hola viewers, welcome back to my channel. So today I will share to you about Google Forms. What is Google Forms? Google Form is now a full feature forms tool that comes free with your Google account. So meaning that you need your Google account first in order for you to use the Google Forms. So this is how the Google Forms looks like. So once you reach the Google Forms website, you can see contact information, RSVP, party invitation, and also t-shirt sign up. So today I will just choose the blank form because today I will show you the way how to form a new quiz questions just using the Google Form. So using this Google Form, you can choose the themes and you can see more options, and also you can get real-time answer from this Google Forms. So actually there are so many types of answer that you can get from your students, from your respondents. It's actually depending on yourself which one you want to choose. It's at a paragraph, multiple choices, or short essay, but it's actually depending on yourself which one you want to use. So now I will state the first questions. So for these questions, I choose multiple choices answer for this question, so the student will have many choice that they can choose. So now we are moving forward to the next question, the second question. So for this question, I choose short answer for this question, so the student or the respondent doesn't have any choice. They will just simply state their answer. So for the question number 3, I choose the answer need to be uploaded. So I choose the file uploaded. So there are actually a space for the requirement for the file that need to be uploaded. For the required button, it is actually to note the student that the answer is very crucial to answer. So now I will just put the title of this quiz. Also, we need to put a description for this form so that it will be a guide for the respondents or the student in answering the form. You can also customize your Google form to make it look more attractive for the respondents or the students. If you have something to change, you can just go to the setting and change anything that you want. Once you post your form, your quiz, you can see how many respondents or how many students that already answer your form or your quiz. You need to know that your changes or anything you do are already saved into your drives. You can choose to send your form either send via emails, via links, or via HTML. Thank you for watching, and that's the only tutorial that I want to show to you and share with you all. Thanks for watching again.